got some answers for you.
Sweet.
Okay. Before we get started, I'm gonna give you this because I don't wanna forget to.
Okay.
This is Lieutenant Green's desk number right here. I don't know if you have that already.
I think I might, but I also have his email, so
Okay, that's his desk line, the 1404 is his extension.
appreciate
So
it.
if you need to call him and get a hold of him, reference something specific, he can be reached there. If he doesn't answer, leave a voicemail, he'll get back to you.
Okay.
So I'll start there. Okay, I'm gonna run down my list of, that you gave me and try to answer where stuff's at, okay?
Sounds good.
Okay, here's where I'm at with the, let's start with prosecutorial misconduct. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that first one. Do you want me to write this down for you?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you okay. So I know with the autism, disability, I don't know anything more about autism than I'll be perfectly frank with you on.
Your department needs clear training. It's been made obvious.
So,
In fact, the entire justice system here needs it.
so where we go with that is this, is with the prosecutorial misconduct, let me say it right. That all is handled by the Washington Bar Association. They actually have a website that they provide a place where to file a complaint, if there is a complaint such as yours, and they will provide assistance to folks who struggle to provide that complaint.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what that is, I'll be perfectly honest with you, it was just the research done on the website. So that's at WSBA.org, I'm gonna write it a little better than his handwriting because mine's a little clearer.
That's fine.
BA.org.
Sorry to cut you off really
No,
quick.
go ahead.
Is there a reason why the Attorney General's office told me that Skagit County has apparently no internal investigation review board? Or at least not for this PD?
I don't know the answer to that.
Do you guys have an internal affairs review board?
We have a process that we would go through, yeah.
Do you guys have a separate agency for internal affairs though?
If there was I guess to answer that question,
Or do you guys investigate yourselves?
if there was a conflict or if it was, there would be criteria that we would farm that out to another agency.
So that brings up kind of a question then in regards to the past stuff, but we'll digress on that for now.
Okay. And if you have any questions about my handwriting, I'll give you that one. So that was the first one, so we got that one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the second question that you had was in reference to where, are the cases with Kyle Hartman. Can I jump to that one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so with Kyle Hartman, because he's an adult, I can't release that to you, but it is available.
I've already
via
done
a
public
PDF.
records. I've already checked the court's website. I've already done what I need to do. He was never charged, never fined, nothing.
Okay,
In fact, it never hit the prosecutor's desk.
according to who?
Prosecuting attorney. Well, at least his assistant. They have no record of that.
Okay. I'll have to dig a little deeper to get an answer on that then. Okay. We'll stick a pin in that one.
Even then, because you guys, as officers who swore oaths to the Constitution, because your department, especially Officer Shaddy, had prior knowledge because I've reported it to him. He has been aware, he is aware, he has knowledge. Because he still refused to file or anything against Kyle or make sure he was prosecuted and instead still went after me for the exact same thing, but told me it wasn't a crime when it came to Kyle, that's still a deprivation of my rights. And considering, again, I have the body cam between him and Officer Von Dyke, as well as the incident from March 28th, that's still a federal charge against him. It's still official misconduct, a gross misdemeanor, failure of duty by a public servant, a misdemeanor.
Okay.
It's also ADA rights violations and probably multiple other statute violations as well under both municipal and state.
Okay. Well, as you said before, I can't give you legal advice, so I'm not gonna do that.
No, but you're aware of the law and your duties, especially as a striped member
Well,
who is above him.
we will get to, we'll get down to that one. The pending cases for you, those cases are, and I don't know if you're aware of this or not.
Officer Shaddy still has the ability to drop them as the main officer who filed said charges. He has every reason and every right to be able to drop the case completely if he so desires.
So you want me to answer?
Considering, well, I mean, you can. I'm
Okay.
just saying.
These cases have moved, and where they're at is what I'm being told. I should say that first, what I'm being told, because I haven't physically laid eyes on where they went. What I'm being told by my administration is those cases have moved to the Superior Court. They are there with the prosecutor there, and so that portion of things, even if Officer Shaddy said we're dismissing the case, that's now up to the prosecutor to dismiss the case.
Your body cam's still on, right?
Yeah, absolutely.